Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fill the eyebrows for every day. Without any delay, let's begin the video. Choose the right shade to fill your eyebrows. You can use a eyebrow pencil or a powder kit or a gel. This is a Makeup Revolution eyebrow kit. In this video, I'll be using a powder brow kit. The first step is to brush your eyebrows. Use a clean spoolie brush to comb your eyebrows. I'll be filling my upper line first, so I will be combing the hairs downwards. Comb the brush in the opposite direction you want to fill. Now to outline the eyebrows, use a angled eyebrow brush. This is how the angled eye brush look. Now I'll take this brown shade from the kit, which is a cool tone. Now I'll start to outline my eyebrows. Don't outline the eyebrows from the starting point. Use a light strokes to draw a subtle outline along the upper edge of your eyebrows. This defines the shape you want to fill. Now I will be outlining my starting point of the eyebrows with the leftover pigment in the brush so that it looks natural. Never fill the starting point of your eyebrows with a dark color. Now brush your hairs in the upward direction to outline the lower line. Outline with short and light strokes so that it won't look unnatural. Your eyebrows should look natural, so don't draw a thick line. After outlining, use the same short and light strokes to fill the any sparse areas within the outline. Follow the direction of your hair growth for a natural look. Remember to keep the application light and build up the color gradually for a more natural look. After filling my eyebrows, I'll fill my starting point of the eyebrows with the left out color in the brush. As I said earlier, don't fill your inner part darkish because it will look unnatural. Your eyebrows should have a ombre effect for natural finish. After filling your brows, use a same spoolie brush and brush out to spread the color evenly. Use micellar water or makeup remover with a q-tip if there are any mistakes. So this is how it looks after filling. You can carry it out for everyday looks also. Before ending the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Bye.